Everything you see, everything you know, it all comes back to science. Life was born in ancient seas, 4 billion years of mystery. DNA writes the code of time, 3 billion letters in every line. Neurons fire, thoughts ignite, sparks of wonder, speed of light. Break the rules, push the sky, turn the unknown and into light. From atoms small to galaxies tall, science explains it all. From vaccines strong to AI song, discovery leads us on. Stars explode, the cosmos grows, gravity bends the light we know. Selves divine, we evolve, every problem has a code to solve. Circuits hum, machines awake, quantum leaps, the future's fate. Push the limits, break the chains, innovation in all veins. Earth spins, the oceans rise, we taste the truth with open eyes. Telescopes through DNA, we light the dark and lead the way. From atoms small to galaxies full, science explains it all. From rockets high to the stars beyond, discovery leads us on. Science isn't just knowledge, it's the key to the future.